Sir, sino po sila, sir?
Joseph Santiago po.
Okay, Boss Joseph, anong auto itong dala natin, Sir Joseph?
Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2010 po.
Ito may theme ba yung auto natin, Sir
Stance
Joseph?
only.
Stance. Ito, Boss Joseph, syempre very curious sa mga ka-auto natin. Paano po ba kayo nahilig sa pagkukotse, boss? Sige po.
When I was a little kid, I used to watch Fast and Furious. But I never seen a Hyundai Genesis Coupe in Fast and Furious. So what I did was, I just started searching for cars, and I guess when I saw the Hyundai Genesis Coupe, I was like, dang, this car looks really cool.
Baka kakaiba siya, tama ba?
Yes,
Ano,
po.
no?
And the thing about that is I rarely see any Hyundai Genesis Coupe in a car scene. Maybe some, but not as much, you know, not like, you know, Vios and Wigos and other types of cars.
Kumbaga,
But the Hyundai Genesis,
Oh,
I rarely
unique rin
see.
talaga, boss, eh, no? Unique, tsaka napakalakas na ito, tama ba?
Yes po. V6 3.8 po.
Yan, mga auto. Mamaya pag-usapan natin, usapang makina tayo.
Yes.
Boss Sir Joseph, syempre dito sa Auto Culture, okay na po ba? Check natin loob, labas, makina, okay na po?
Yes po.
Pwede, so tara, check na natin. Okay po. Usapang interior tayo, Sir Joseph, ano meron dito ba? Sige po.
Basically, just your basic Android head unit, and then I changed the shift knob, and then that's pretty much it. And then the back seats were removed.
Oh,
Because this car before, when I bought this car, it was basically a drift car. But I'm not really into like drifting and stuff. So what I did was I turned it into stance. So I bought air suspension from Concept Air. But then I changed the system from Concept Air to Custom Misfits.
Oh.
So it's voice activated and stuff.
So yan na yung ngayong ano na, no? Yan na yung air niya ngayon. Yan na yung gawa ngayon, si Custom Misfits na.
Yes po.
Oo, ayan mga ko.
Should I start the car? So
Ayun, okay naman sir. Okay lang po. Wag okay na. Ano, mga ko. Tsaka ito meron na rin palang ano.
oh yes,
Sunroof na rin.
sunroof, yes.
Sunroof,
po.
sunroof, mga ko.
And it's fully functioning.
Tsaka ito nabanggit ni Sir Joseph, dating drift car, boss eh, no? Itong sasakyan na to.
Yes, well, Ashley Season used to use this car.
Oo, okay. Alam mga ko. Shoutout tayo dyan. Sir Joseph, okay na tayo dito sa interior. Check natin labas. Okay lang po?
Sure po.
So, tara.
Tough long battery. Tough and long
Okay,
lasting.
usapang exterior tayo, Sir Joseph. Ano meron dito ba? Sige po.
Basically, what I did hood, it's I forgot what this is called, but I'm pretty sure this is the carbon fiber Terminator hood. Po.
Oo, okay.
This is a body color carbon.
Okay. Pero to ano na? Pero fiberglass din or carbon na?
Carbon po.
Carbon na.
Carbon po.
Okay. Carbon loading na tayo dito. So,
And this part too. I forgot what this is called, but this is carbon as well.
okay.
And then for our brake caliper is K-Sport.
Oo, ayan.
But the mags are just a copy.
Ano size nung Max Boss?
18s po.
18s. Okay.
Basically 18 by 9.5.
Grabe, ang ganda ng tindig mga auto. Ayan. Nilamon ng auto yung Max eh. Oh. Ayan, tsaka ang laki ng preno. K-Sport ang brand, no? Naman.
Yes, but the mags are just a copy, but it's okay. You know, I don't really join big time car shows or whatever. You know, I just enjoy the car because I love how it sounds. I love how it's, you know, the performance. I just love using it every day.
Mas importante, ano, yung kumbaga, na-enjoy mo yung build mo, tama ba?
Yes, po. I really love this car. Like, I don't care what anyone says, you know, just, I love the car for how it is.
Yan. Okay, so up tayo dito sa pananaw nito ni Sir Joseph. Okay, boss, regarding sa kulay naman, ano ba, never painted, ano ba?
It's basically the color is ceramic white. But
Okay.
basically everything I haven't really repainted but the hood. The hood because like this car is always parked in the sun, so the hood likes to, like, you know, the paint deteriorates so fast compared to the other parts.
Oo nga.
Because the sun is always hitting the hood.
Yun talaga.
Yes,
Tsaka yung mga-
because look at the hood. It's like, you know, it's not really
Ano
as
na,
shiny as
fade,
the
faded na rin talaga siya.
yes
Okay, sige boss. Ito yung mga skirt, ano ba?
side skirt. But that's
Okay.
just like, you know, cheap side skirt. There's only like 5,000. It's really
Oh,
cheap,
okay.
affordable.
So ito ngayon, ito, Sir Joseph, naka ano to? No air to talaga ngayon. Naka-drop talaga siya ngayon, no?
Yes, po, air out.
Air out siya talaga. Ayan, mga ko. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng tindig na ito. Apa ko dito. Okay. Dito sa likod, Sir Joseph, meron ba napalitan, boss?
Yes po. The taillight. Basically, the original taillights were the BK1 taillights. But then, you know, I turned those BK1s into clear, but then I got really tired of it because my friend there, Ghostlands, he always has to repaint it. So what I did was, instead of him having to repaint it every time, I changed it to D-Spec taillights.
Oo nga.
Can I give a shout out to my friend?
Sige, pwede, boss. Ano problema?
Shout out to Audie Yang. You know, he hooked me up with these dope ass taillights.
Oo. Tsaka iba, kakaiba yung ano na, no?
Yes,
Iba yung lens niya, tama ba?
Yes,
Sige, boss, dito. Ito. Ito, yung
That's,
mga natin.
the exhaust pipe is KRM po, full titanium.
Oo.
And then this po is a carbon fiber hood. I forgot the name, but I just know it's carbon fiber.
Okay. Parang one piece na talaga siya, no? May
Yes.
spoiler ka na. Meron.
Yes, but it's like basically like a built-in ducktail.
Oo, built-in yun. Built-in na downtail na rin.
Yes.
Ang ganda.
It's kind of dirty. I didn't wash it.
Talaga ito, binigla natin sa Sir Joseph. Kung natin ang tidig na yan. Okay, that's it. Sir Joseph, okay na tayo dito sa labas. Check natin makina. Okay lang po?
Sure po.
Okay.
Sure.
Usapang engine bay tayo, Sir Joseph. Ano meron dito ba? Sige po.
Basically, it's a 3.8 V6 engine po.
Okay. So, ayan, no. So, ito, tama ba na bakit mo rin kanina, drift car talaga to?
Yes po.
Dun talaga
Before, when
before.
Ashley was using it, yeah, but
Oh,
I turned it into stats.
Okay. Ito, boss, regarding sa mga, ano natin, gas consumption, maintenance, kamusta naman yung Genesis natin?
The maintenance, honestly, I just keep up on my oil changes, coolant. I coolant flush, you know, most of the time. Then I replace it with coolant. That's pretty much it. And then recently, one of my spark plugs is blown. It's causing like, you know, heavy backfires. But when I changed it, you know, the car went back to normal. But
Okay. So, talagang basic lang din talaga, boss. Ito,
Yeah.
boss, regarding sa Hyundai Genesis, boss, hindi ba siya pricey yung mga parts na?
yes, because most of the really hard parts to find, you have to get them from Korea, so overseas. So, you know, you're not just paying for the price of the parts, but you're also paying for, you know, shipping. Shipping is really expensive.
So, kahit sa mga Hyundai na dito, ng mga, syempre, yung mga Hyundai na branches, wala rin talaga. Talagang shipping rin talaga, boss.
Well, it depends on the parts, because I was able to find spark plugs at Mashana in front of like behind SM Hypermarket Sukat.
So, meron rin naman yung iba, no?
Yeah, but most of the hard parts, you have to get them from Korea or overseas shipping.
Grabe. Mga koto, 3.8, tama ba, Sir Joseph?
Yes, but 3.8 V6.
3.8 BC kaya mga koto. Ito, anong ba mga parts na mga nilagay mo na dito, Sir Joseph? Ito, mga filter.
Basically, I'm not sure about the filter, but the pulley here po is a lightweight pulley.
Ay, ito, may kulay na eh, no? Ayan. Ayan, mga koto. Kasi first time natin, Sir Joseph, ngayon lang natin nakakita ng engine bay ng Genesis, mga koto. 3.8 pala to. Yun, message. So, Joseph, okay na tayo dito, boss?
Okay,
Ayan, guys, nakita natin interior, exterior siya, engine bay. Siyempre, usapan na tayo, Genesis. Dito kay Boss Joseph Santiago. Sir Joseph, di mawawala shoutout na tayo, boss. Keep go po.
Okay, shout out to my friend Ghostlands, Jamiko. He's the one that did my clear tails for my BK1 Genesis taillights. And then, what else? Shout out to AutoFit Works for doing my fitment in the front of my car. You know, the fitment is crazy, you know. You gotta have that best fitment. And then, shout out to Custom Misfits. They're the ones that did my air suspension system, and they're also the ones that fixed my shocks. Shout out my group, Black Sheep Club. You know, like, I really love that group. Honestly, that was my first ever group here in the Philippines. I never been in a car group, but, you know, they made me president of this group, so I just want to say thank you to Black Sheep. You know, if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have made it to where I am. Thank you, Black Sheep, and everyone.
Okay? Okay na, Sir Joseph? Okay na?
Yes, po.
Okay, sige, sabayan and Sir Joseph Santiago, pasok ng 2010, usapang Hyundai Genesis Coupe, mga kato, usapang stance, and this is Roll for